Situated in the picturesque natural scenery surrounded by valleys in the northern Black Forest, residents and tourists benefit from clean air, fresh water, and numerous forests and meadows. Bad Herrenalb's active climate promotes health and well-being, living in a natural landscape that's open for everyone. A day in my life here at Bad Herrenalb, I enjoyed this perfect gift of nature away from the stress of the city life. I see streams and I hear the water flows. The tall trees around and the vast green space combined captivates my eyes to walk and sit for a while. I can truly sense that in this small tourist town, it has its own distinct character. You can breathe deeply, immerse yourself, and do the very best for your health. According to my research, this picturesque tourist town is particularly known for its healing mineral springs. Over 150 kilometers of marked hiking trails, the former Alba Dominorum Monastery, the Spa Gardens, and the Falkenstein Rocks, as well as the views from the 34 mountain ridges and hills. Bad Herrenalb is a spa town in Baden Wüttenberg, in the Calv district. Since 1954, Bad Herrenalb has held the title the Climatic Health Resort. The town belongs to the northern Black Forest region. This small town, which originated from the monastery, lies in the upper valley of the Alb River. So if you're looking for a place to relax and unwind, include Bad Herrenalb, with its top location nestled in the landscape of one of Germany's largest nature reserves, offers you not only interesting culture, but also the best relaxation site all year round. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!